friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Neet Prep for Biology by AJ. If you are a new viewer, so please do subscribe, share with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge. In this channel, we discuss about biology MCQs which are much important for your NEET exam. And can this type of questions also come in NEET exam? So today we will discuss that can this type of question also come in NEET exam. So these questions which I will give you today are much important for your NEET exam. So please go through this question without skipping the video. So here we start our video, and please do like this video if you like it. Share with your friends. So here we start our video with the first most important biology question. Question 1. Alpha diversity is present A within community, B between community, C ranges of communities, D all of the above. I repeat the question. Alpha diversity is present and the correct answer is A, that is within community. Question 2. When a diploid female plant is crossed with a tetraploid male, the ploidy of endosperm cell in the resulting seed is A ploidy, B diploidy, C triploidy, D tetraploidy. I repeat the question. When a diploid female plant is crossed with a tetraploid male, the ploidy of endosperm cell in the resulting seed is, and the correct answer is D, that is tetraploidy. Question 3. What is genetic diversity? A. Total genetic information contained within all individuals of species. B. The total phenotypic informations contained within all the individuals of a species. C. The variety of life forms on Earth. D. The variety of biotic community in are going along with abiotic components. What is genetic diversity? And the correct answer for the third question is A. That is total genetic information contained with all individuals of species. Question 4. Broad spectrum antibiotic is that which A. Act on both pathogen and host, B. Act on all bacteria and viruses, C. Act on a variety of pathogenic microorganisms, D. Is effective in very small amount. I repeat a question. Broad spectrum antibiotic is that which? And the correct answer for the fourth question is C, that is act on a variety of pathogenic microorganisms. Question 5. In olden days, cheese was prepared by A. Aspergillus, B. Rennet enzyme, C. Clostridium bacteria, D. None of the above. I repeat the question. In olden days, cheese was prepared by, and the correct answer is B, that is rennet enzyme. Question 6. Which of the following molecules may be used as respiratory substrate? A. First one, that is fat. Second, carbohydrate. Third, protein. Fourth, nucleic acid. And the options here are A, B, C, and D. A, first, second, and third. First, second, and third. B, first and second. C, second and fourth. D, first and third. Which of the following molecules may be used as respiratory substrate? And the correct answer is A, that is first, second, and third. Question 7. Certain characteristics demographic features of developing countries are A. High fertility, high density, rapid rising mortality rate and a very young age distribution. B. High infant mortality rate, low fertility, uneven population growth and a very young age distribution. C. High mortality, high density, uneven population growth and a very old age distribution. D. High fertility, low or rapid falling mortality rate, rapid population growth and a very young age distribution. I repeat a question. Certain characteristic demographic features of developing countries are, and the correct answer for the seventh question is D, that is high fertility, low or rapid falling mortality rate, rapid population growth and a very young age distribution. Question 8. Mast cell of connective tissue contain A. Heparin and histamine, B. Heparin and calcitonin, C. Serotonin and melanin, D. Vasopressin and relaxin. Mast cell of connective tissue contain, and the correct answer is A, that is heparin and histamine. Question 9. TCA cycle is A. Direct oxidation pathway, B. Indirect oxidation pathway, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. TCA cycle is, And the correct answer is B, that is indirect oxidation pathway. Question 10. How many molecules of ATP are produced per molecules of FADS2 oxidized? A1, B2, C3, D4. I repeat the question. How many molecules of ATP are produced per molecule of FADS2 oxidized? And the correct answer is B, that is 2 molecules. Question 11. Which of the following features would distinguish a monocot from a dicot plant? A. Aestivation, B. Vernation, C. Phlotaxy, D. Venation. I repeat the question. Which of the following features would distinguish a monocot from a dicot plant? And the correct answer for the 11th question is D, that is venation. Question 11th. Who is regarded as the father of Indian physiology? A. Professor M.O.P. Anger, B. Professor J.N. Mishra, C. Professor R.R. Mishra, D. Professor R.N. Singh. Who is regarded as the father of Indian physiology? And the correct answer is A, that is Professor M.O.P. Anger. Question 13. Which one of the following is a first genetic engineered medicine? A. Humulin, B. Somatostatin, C. Enferon, D. Human growth hormone. I repeat the question. Which one of the following is a first genetic engineered medicine? And the correct answer for the 13th question is A, that is Humulin. Question 14. Type of cleavage found in mammals is A. Holoblastic, B. Meroblastic, C. Superficial, D. None of the above. I repeat the question. Type of cleavage found in mammals is, and the correct answer for the 14th question is A, that is holoblastic. Question 15. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for A. Interaction with the environment and progressive evolution, B. Reproduction, C. Growth and movement, D. Responsiveness to touch. I repeat a question. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for, and the correct answer is A, that is interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. Question 16. If an organism is in the same class but not in the same family, but it may belong to same A. Genus, B. Species, C. Variety, D. Order. I repeat the question. If an organism is in the same class but not in the same family, but it may belong to same, and the correct answer is D, that is order. Question 17. Vascular bundles in which phloem is found on both sides of xylem are called. In which of the following phloem occurs in two patches, that is A. Collateral, B. Bicollateral, C. Radial, D. Amphicrybal. I repeat the question. Vascular bundle in which phloem is found on both sides of xylem are called, and the correct answer is B, that is bicollateral. Question 18. Assertion and reason type of question. Assertion is plant-like excretory organs. Reason: plants usually absorb essential nutrients and lead a passive life. Options are A, if both the assertion and reason are true and the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. B, if both the assertion and reason are true but the reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. C, if the assertion is true but the reason is false. D, if both the assertion and reason are false. E, if the assertion is false but reason is true. Assertion, that is plant like excretory order. Reason, that is plant usually absorb essential nutrients and lead a passive life. And the correct answer is A, that is if both the assertion and reason are true, the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. Question 19. Thalamus is a base of flower, base of ovary, C. Modification of pollen, D. Modification of petal. I repeat the question. Thalamus is, and the correct answer is A, that is base of flower. Question 20. Inflorescence is A. Arrangement of flower on peduncle, B. A system of branches bearing flowers, C. A branch bearing flower in definite manner, D. All of the above. Inflorescence is, and the correct answer for the 20th question is D, that is all of the above. The first for inflorescence, that is arrangement of flower on peduncle, a system of branches bearing flower, a branch bearing flower in definite manner. Thank you friends for watching Neet Prep for Biology by AJ. Please do like this video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge. Please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.